Sidus NFT Heroes has been one of the most hyped projects of 2021. When the IDO came out, it gave investors returns in excess of 50x of their initial investment. But apart from being a gaming token, Sidus NFT Heroes is also a collection of NFTs. And in this video, we are going to tell you how you can actually get a few of the NFTs from Sidus for absolutely free of cost. So stay tuned to this video and find out how you can claim Sidus NFT Heroes NFT worth more than $4,000 for absolutely free of cost.
Subscribe to watch more videos like this.
Hello friends, my name is Soham and I welcome you to Crypto Bulls Club. Every day on this channel, I show you how you can make money in crypto. If you like money and crypto, smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. This will notify you with all the new videos that we release. Also, if you'd like to discuss anything related to cryptos, head over to Telegram, join our family. The link for that is given in the descriptions below as well as on the pinned comments, and this is absolutely free of cost as well. So without further delay, let's jump on straight to the details of how you can actually claim your free NFTs from Sidus. So first of all, let's take a quick look on some of the stats for the NFTs that Sidus has to offer. There are in total more than 5.2 thousand items available. There are more than 1.4k owners. The floor price is at about 0.7 Ethereum, and if you have to take the current price of Ethereum, that comes to about $2,800. And in total, there has been a volume trade of more than 1.8 thousand Ethereums, which comes to more than $7.2 million. So now let's take a quick look on what are some of the NFTs that Sidus team is giving away for free in collaboration with CD5 Fund. Mind you, CD5 was the launch pad for the Sidus IDO as well. So first NFT that they are giving away is the NFT hero number 49, which has an average price of more than 0.585, and the next NFT that they are going to offer is the NFT hero number 269. It has an average price of about 0.43. Then there's this NFT hero number 932, which has an average price of more than 0.53. And there's then this NFT hero number 3587, which has got an average price of more than 0.473. And finally, the last NFT hero that they are offering is the NFT hero number 3566, which has got the current price of about 0.76 Ethereum. That comes to more than $3,000 given the present price of Ethereum around $3,900. So these are some of the NFTs that you can actually get for free and just by doing simple tasks. Now what are those tasks? Let's take a quick look on that. So this is the form which I will actually leave a link to in the description below. Here what you need to do is you just need to do these simple steps like follow Galaxy Sidus on Twitter, follow CD5 on Twitter, join their Telegram channel, join their announcements channel, visit the Sidus page, and also add Sidus to your watch list on CoinMarketCap and upload the screenshot, and you are all set to get into the lottery. Mind you, there is only 30 hours left for this form to be closed from the time of recording. By the time you're seeing this, there would be even less time left. So make sure you don't miss out on this opportunity, and you will be very lucky if you can get your hands on to some free NFT collection. So this was a very short video. If you like the content, please smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. Also, what I would like to know from you is whether you will be interested to know about these free NFTs, how you can get some more free NFTs, and we will make at least 1 or 2 videos in a week covering some of the free NFTs that you can get. If you want to know about the free NFTs, go down to the comment section and comment free NFT. Okay, comment free NFT and I'll surely cover more and more free giveaways and free NFTs that you can actually claim. So thank you so much for tuning into this video. Stay blessed, stay happy, take very good care of yourself. Bye bye for now.